Hello students, today I will be starting a new chapter, our Constitution, chapter number 12 for class 7. Now, what is a constitution? When we talk about constitution, it is basically a written document, okay, which talks about the fundamental rules of the country. Our constitution is known as the fundamental law of the land because it is superior to any of the ordinary laws made by the parliament or state legislatures. Any law which goes against any of the provisions of the constitution shall be void, which means it shall have no value or authority. Okay? Now, in a society, there are some fundamental rules, and everything need to be laid down in front of the people. And there are various communities also who live together. So, we need to have some kind of an agreement or a consensus. And that agreement comes in the form of a written document, which is called the Constitution. Now, the Constitution of India lays down the powers and duties of government institutions, sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of citizens. Okay. Now, I will share a short clip based on this topic, and I think you will have a more clear understanding on this topic. Okay.
Umpire has given the free hit for the batsman. Yes, the bowler has crossed the crease completely, which is considered as no ball. You all know the rules of cricket. Similarly, in football, the player should not touch the ball with his hand. In every game, we have some rules, and these rules help define the game and helps us distinguish one game from another. Do we have such rules in our society? Yes, like these games, a society also has constitutive rules that make it what it is and differentiate it from other kinds of societies. In large societies, in which different communities of people live together, these rules are formulated through consensus, and in modern countries, this consensus is usually available in written form. A written document in which we find such rules is called a constitution. Why do you think we need a constitution? The constitution serves several purposes. Let us look at them one by one. Constitution lays out certain ideals that form the basis of the kind of country that we as citizens aspire to live in. A constitution helps serve as a set of rules and principles that the entire population in a country can agree upon. Let us